guys, I have a little surprise for you. A little okay, that's just gonna be a part. Just gonna be a part two because I am back. My camera timed out, and I have a little surprise. A little yeah, just a surprise, guys. Just a surprise. A lot of people are doing these. It's kind of obvious. I got this. A glow-in-the-dark LED fidget spinner. 15 bucks. I forgot what store I got it in. I just decided to pick one up. Pick one up, see what it does. Mess around with it for a little bit. It's a speaker too. Hold on, let me. This is the right side. Yeah, yeah. Okay, it's a speaker. I don't have a. I'm not gonna play music through this. I'm just not gonna play. Just not gonna play music through this. Okay. Yeah. I went out, bought this, 15 bucks. It spins for a little bit. I know there's been fidget spinners that have spun. Yep. Just look at it. Get hypnotized. Just stare at it. Stare, I say. Yeah. Went out, bought this, 15 bucks out of my own money. It's pretty alright though. It's pretty alright. What's that thing? Get up. Get up. Yeah, it's pretty alright. It spins for about 30. Hold on, let's count. Let's count this. Let me get a good spin on it. Okay, I timed it. That was, if you didn't look at the clock, 40 seconds. It was pretty alright. Some fidget spinners can spin up to, I don't know, maybe like an hour, 2 minutes. I don't know. There's been like infinite fidget spinners going around. Hold on, let me. I got one of the good spin. Oh yeah, yeah. It's a pretty solid fidget spinner. First one. I might be getting more fidget spinners if I get a lot more money. Because I spent like, I don't know. I might just go around, buy some more. Oh crap. Go around, buy some more. I might buy like a regular one. The regular, like, non-doing anything. They just sit there and spin. But I decided to go to a store. I think it was a dollar store. Pick one up. There are gas stations, guys. Just go to a gas station, pick one up. Go to a freaking gas station where your mom's getting gas. Get the gas too. And then get the fidget spinner. And then while she's sitting there, put the gas or whatever, just freaking just play with the goddamn fidget spinner. It's all right. It's pretty all right. Yeah, nah. It's pretty all right. 15 bucks. Very all right deal. Oh yeah, I'm moving. Yeah, moving. You won't see this scene for. You won't see this. God damn it. You won't see this for about a few days. Yeah, moving to a new house, might get a few videos done, or maybe not. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry I have not been posting. So I am. Yeah, sorry I haven't been posting. I'm gonna start posting like a little bit more. Yeah, no one really watches my crap or my content. Yeah, well, keep watching. Spread it. Tell your mom. Tell your mom's friend, like that annoying friend at work. Tell your dad's cousin Richie. We don't know. Everybody has like a Richie in the family. Yeah, just spread the channel, man. Just spread the channel. Spread the channel, please. Thank you. Appreciate that. Working up. Trying to go way up.